Here we will see what is Power Apps OnStart property and how we can use it. So Power Apps OnStart property. The name OnStart, it suggests that on start. That means whenever a user will open the app or whenever a user will run the app, something will happen. That means the OnStart property is an event that triggers when the Power Apps application is opening or starting. So it is used for initializing variable, setting up a connection to data source or other startup configuration. So this is the perfect location to initialize any type of variables. You can preload the data and also to configure your application as per your need. So Power Apps OnStart property means so let me give you one example. Suppose you want to create a table on start of the application. So that means whenever you will on start the app or whenever you will open the app, the table will create automatically. So this is all about the Power Apps OnStart property. But there is a one drawback of OnStart property, that it doesn't support the navigate function inside the application. So whenever you will use the navigate function inside the OnStart property of the app, it doesn't support. It will show an error that it is not supported. Currently it is not supporting. Before it was supporting. Currently why it is not supporting, but because that navigate function, it takes lots of time to load the application. So for that purpose it is deprecated, or the OnStart property is now deprecated to the start screen. Now you can use the start screen property instead of the OnStart property. Next, what is Power Apps StartScreen property? Power Apps StartScreen property determines which screen will be displayed first when the app starts. It can dynamically set the initial screen based on condition or set of variables. That means the start screen property helps to users that which screen you want to display when you will open the app first. So this is all about Power Apps OnStart and Start Screen property. Let me show you one example of that so that you can understand easily. Power App application where I want to show you how you can use the Power App OnStart property and as well as Power App Start Screen property. So let me tell you, this is my lunch email application where you can see the background color of this application is aqua color, aqua theme. So now I would like to change this background color of that application using the Power Apps OnStart property. So how I can do that? You can see in the tree view section there is app. So once you will expand this properties pane, you can see the OnStart app here as well as the start screen property here. So click on the OnStart property here, formula bar, where I want to set one variable, and inside the variable I will set one color that I want to change in this application. So this is the code. You can see set then variable name bar app color, and then color value is my function name where I provided one color. So according to that it will change my app color. So once I specified this code, next what I will do, just select this screen, email screen, and go to the field property. You can select over here field property, and then what I can do, I need to specify that variable name over here, that is where app color. Whatever you will give the variable name, the same variable name you need to put over here in the formula bar. Now it's done. What we need to do, you can again select the app, just click on this ellipsis and click on run on start property over here. So once you will run on start, you can see the application color is changed to this red color. Okay, so this is how we can change the color of Power Apps application using the Power Apps OnStart property. So not only this thing, you can do anything in Power Apps OnStart property, like you can create a collection, you can create a table, and suppose you want to show some message whenever a user will open the app. So any kind of things you can do using Power Apps OnStart property. Next, I will tell you how you can use the Power Apps StartScreen property. Here inside the tree view section, you can see there are three screens. One is this is email screen, second one is lunch screen, and third one is message screen. Now what I would like to do is I want to show this screen, the second screen, lunch screen, in the first screen. I mean, whenever a user will open the app, it will automatically show this screen, this second screen, to the user. So for this purpose, what you can do, you just click on this app and go to the start screen property, and simply you just write the screen name here that you want to show whenever user will open the app. Here my second screen name is lunch screen. So simply I specified the lunch screen inside the start screen property. Now what I need to do is to view the result manually. What you need to do, just click on this, and once you will click on navigate to start screen, you can see the result. Want to show this result as automatically, so just before that you need to ensure to save and publish this application, otherwise it will not work. So if I publish this version, I will go back to the application. So once I will come back to the home page, and then I will play the app. So when you will play the app, you can see, you can refresh it. You can see this is the second screen. When I open the app or when I run this application, this second screen is visible to the user. So this is all about the Power Apps StartScreen property.